Hello everyone. Last time we talked about exceptions, and today I would like to talk about some other ways about how the try-catch block deals with object types that implement the AutoClosable interface. So last time in the exception video we had this example where we read in two values. We call a divide method, and the divide method may throw a divide by zero exception if the denominator is zero. And then we handle it in the stack trace here. Now, a common way is to deal with files where we have to open the connection and we close it, or with a database connection or other type of stream where we have to close the stream. Same if we look at the scanner. Scanner has actually a close method, so we could use this example just as well. Now, we always want to close it. So typically for any file, stream file, or here the scanner, we typically add a finally block and we call scanner.close. That way it's guaranteed to be executed and we never forget to close it. So don't put any close statement inside the try-catch block, because similar like the system.out.println statement here, if an exception gets thrown in the divide function or anywhere before, these statements that come after it won't be executed, because whenever the exception is thrown, it will jump directly to the catch block and continue there. So in that case, the compiler wouldn't close, or the runtime wouldn't close the connection. So we always want to add that to the finally block. Now, a new way for Java is to do this automatically, and this works for objects that implement the AutoClosable interface. So let's take a look how this works. We move this code into the try-catch block, and then we add parentheses right after this try keyword, and inside the parentheses we add our scanner that we create. And we no longer have access to the finally block, and we don't need it. So the good thing is here, what this does is we try to work with this object, with a scanner object, and the try-catch block will automatically close if an exception gets thrown. Basically, we don't need to explicitly write the finally block here. This will automatically does it for us, regardless if an exception is thrown or not. And this works well for files, for file streams, for any type of object that implements the java.lang.autoClosable interface. This is the interface. So that's another hint. Whenever you deal with AutoClosable objects, this is the better way to write it. Thank you.